Welcome to your complete guide to moving crypto assets between different blockchains. Whether you're looking to escape Ethereum's high gas fees or explore exciting opportunities on Layer 2 solutions, this presentation will walk you through the entire bridging process while keeping your assets secure. In this guide, you'll delve into the fundamentals of bridges, learn essential preparation steps, follow a detailed walkthrough of bridging assets, and discover critical security practices. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to safely bridge your assets between blockchains, unlocking the full potential of the multi-chain crypto ecosystem. Imagine you have your USDC on Ethereum, but you want to use it on Polygon or Arbitrum where fees are significantly lower. Your assets are effectively stranded on Ethereum. Unlike traditional finance where you can easily move between banks, blockchains are isolated systems that don't naturally communicate with each other. A crypto bridge is a specialized decentralized application, DAPP, that facilitates the transfer of assets between different blockchains. Bridges solve the interoperability problem by creating a mechanism for cross-chain communication. When you bridge assets, you're not actually sending tokens from one chain to another. Instead, a more complex process takes place. There are various types of blockchain bridges, each offering different trade-offs between security, speed, and convenience. For beginners, native bridges from reputable Layer 2 protocols typically offer the best balance of security and usability. In this tutorial, we'll focus on using Stargate Finance as our example bridge, but the general process is similar across most bridge protocols. Understanding the supported chains, token types, and security models is crucial for a successful bridging experience. Failing to prepare properly is the most common cause of problems when bridging. Take a few minutes to go through this checklist before every bridge transaction to ensure a smooth and secure process. The first step in bridging is to connect your wallet to the bridge interface. Always verify the URL is correct before connecting your wallet, as bridge scams are common and often use similar-looking domain names. Next, select your current network as the source and your desired destination network. Verify that the bridge supports this specific route, as not all pairs are supported on every bridge. For your first bridge transaction, consider sending a small test amount to verify everything works correctly before sending larger amounts. This step involves selecting the asset you want to bridge and entering the amount. Many tokens require a separate approval transaction before they can be used by a smart contract. For better security, consider setting a lower limit to the approval just to the amount you're bridging. After approval completes, you'll initiate the actual bridge transaction. Carefully review all details in your wallet, including the recipient address and the estimated arrival time. Confirm the transaction and be patient as it processes. Bridge times vary significantly based on the protocol, network, and asset being transferred. During this critical phase, it's important to be patient and monitor the transaction status to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. Once your assets are on the destination network, you'll need to configure your wallet for the new chain. Verify the newly added network and ensure your funds are safely received. Bridge protocols are among the most vulnerable parts of the crypto ecosystem. They hold enormous amounts of locked assets and operate complex cross-chain logic that introduces security vulnerabilities. Protect your assets by understanding these risks. Smart contract vulnerabilities represent the highest risk factor in bridge security, as they can lead to complete loss of locked funds. Highlighting the importance of verifying the authenticity of bridge websites before connecting your wallet. To ensure the safety of your assets, follow these essential tips. Use established, audited bridges, start with test transactions, diversify bridge usage, and monitor bridge status regularly. Never attempt to send a second bridging transaction while the first one is still processing, as this could complicate the resolution process. Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve any issues with stuck transactions. These alternatives can sometimes offer better fees or faster execution than traditional bridges, but they often come with their own trade-offs in terms of cost, speed, or security. For most users, bridges remain the most reliable option. Bridging opens a world of opportunities across multiple blockchains, allowing you to access the unique benefits of each ecosystem while optimizing your crypto experience for both cost and functionality. Remember, preparation is critical, security first, patience required, and multi-chain is the future.